Hey guys, so this is a video of my opinion of the best shampoo and conditioner. I've been looking for an amazing shampoo and conditioner for a very long time now, and I'm gonna say I've finally found the shampoo and conditioner and I'm not changing. And that is the Redken All Soft. The Redken All Soft shampoo and conditioner. These are absolutely amazing. Your hair is literally what it says, so soft. My hair has grown so long ever since I started using this. I get my hair like highlighted and it's just like, it's just by far your search will stop once you use the Redken All Soft shampoo and conditioner. You will finally see what I'm talking about. This will be your shampoo and conditioner. I purchased these myself. I'm just saying I wanted to post a video about the best shampoo and conditioner because I feel like I wish I would have known about this a long time ago, because then my hair would have been so amazing back when my hair is naturally straight. I just weaved it out a little bit, but I have been using this shampoo and conditioner for about 3 or 4 months. Liter sizes at Ulta during their sales, when they have like the liter sales. And this is hands down my absolute favorite shampoo and conditioner. And the bottle says detangle, condition, and soft, dry, brittle hair with a complete All Soft hair system. All Soft conditioner includes Redken's exclusive RCT protein complex to treat hair from the root to the core to the tip. All our soft care system with omega-6 enriched argan oil nourishes for intense softness, hair is silky soft, and increased manageability. Literally, this does exactly what it says. Highly recommend. Your search can stop, because I'm telling you, once you try these shampoo and conditioners, you're gonna be like, holy guacamole, my hair is amazing. So when I use my shampoo and conditioner, I only shampoo this part up, and then I used to only put conditioner on my roots because I had like an oily scalp, but now I put shampoo here up, and I put the conditioner all over, and it doesn't like weigh down your roots or anything. Yeah, so this is just a video about my opinion. I purchased this shampoo and conditioner with my own money, and I am just saying this shampoo and conditioner's formula is life-changing, and I am so happy because my hair is just, for all the like damage it goes through, coloring, blow drying, curling, it's just like not changed. Like the healthiness is just still there, and I can just think that I have found the perfect shampoo and conditioner to really just keep my hair looking great. So that completes my video on my favorite shampoo and conditioner, and I'm telling you, if you want to change your life and you want to change your hair, you really need to try these out, because I'm surprised these aren't more viral, because they're just that amazing. Plus, look, I match my shampoo and conditioner today with this sweater. This is not planned, but I like it. Highly recommend. I'm sure they sell these in like the smaller sizes if you want to like test them out, but the deal I got for these 2 liter sizes at Ulta was just like an amazing deal, and I thought, whatever, I'll just try them. And then I am just so freaking happy that I tried them, because they're life-changing. That's how great these are.